today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, I can't believe what I am seeing for Bitcoin right now. You're probably asking yourself, Chris, what are you talking about? I am talking about my trade. I am talking about my price target for Bitcoin right now and what is going to happen to Bitcoin in the immediate short term. You do remember we were talking about let me quickly show you here before I go over to my price target, this inverse Adam and Eve pattern, which unfortunately broke, hit almost the price target, to be quite frank, not exactly, but almost the price target. And now we are forming this symmetrical triangle, which of course, as a continuation pattern, people would expect it to break towards the downside. But I told you, wait guys, this is Bitcoin, right? Wait for the breakout. And actually, I was posting over on Twitter, you can see it right here, the imperfect triangle broke. I posted it in the moment of the breakout, and I also told you, be very, very cautious here, right? Well, let's go into it, and let's first of all, before we examine the new price target, see what was actually happening and did we hit the price target. So let me quickly pull this measurement tool here. You know what? That is the problem. If you have fat fingers, then of course working on a phone is not always favorable. Let me quickly take this price target over from the confirmation point. You see the Bitcoin price exactly hit the price target, and now of course is about to find a new direction. And now of course the question is, what is the direction going to be? Well, we are having one support on the downside. You can see it right here. This support line is to be held. Bitcoin has to hold this line, and there's a little bit, like you can pull it up, you can pull it down a little bit, round about the levels of where we were recently, 19,200 and maybe 19,000 is the levels Bitcoin has to hold. As long as we are holding it, we can be quite hopeful for higher price target. The moment we are breaking it, it can get very hairy for Bitcoin. And also what I wanted to tell you before, you are getting here very bullish just because I'm in a long position, it's not the reason to get bullish here, right? Look at this, the VPVR is a buffer. So of course we are expecting a lot of volume resistance coming in right now. So of course, not only this volume resistance, also structural resistance. And this line, this is just wait a second, guys, I want to show you. This line, you see this exact line here, right? This line here. The line you are seeing there seems so small and insignificant. Let me go over, dear ladies and gentlemen, to the weekly candles and show you that what we are talking about here is 11 years support, which is now turning into 11 years resistance. We need Bitcoin to close a weekly candle above that. This weekly candle actually around 5 days approximately. Right now, structurally, Bitcoin is below the craziest resistance we have ever seen. In the history of Bitcoin, we have never seen so much resistance above us. And yes, of course, I am in my trade. This trade is right now break even, you can say. I mean, 17% in a profit, 36,000, whatever. This was already 200% or so in a profit. So yes, it is make or break. Bitcoin has to hold 19,000. Bitcoin has to break 22,500, round about 22,500 US dollars for Bitcoin to break. Just a second, guys. There's a few cars here driving around in. Yeah, let me quickly go back. Round about 22,500 we have to break towards the upside. So now of course it is waiting time. It's not the time to go into crazy long positions. Yes, I'm in my trade, but I'm able to close in a break even. I'm able to scale it higher, scale it lower. If you're not in a trade, wait on the sidelines and wait until we are breaking support or resistance. Thank you so much for watching, and if you appreciate these videos, no matter where I am, no matter when I am, whether I'm in a sunny country or whether I'm in a cold country, truly appreciate it. Kind regards from Spain, guys. I truly love and appreciate you. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I am appreciating you. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always.